everybody. How you doing? How you been? This is Greg Kaplan coming to you from Allstate Insurance, the good hands people. And I want to let you in on a little secret that I found out recently that not many people know about. It's called renter's insurance. Don't tell anybody, it's a secret. Why is it a secret? Because almost everybody I talk to has never heard of it. Their insurance agent has never offered it to them. They've never even known it exists. Once I tell them about it, they're floored about the cost of it and the type of coverage that it gives them. So renter's insurance is basically very similar to homeowner's insurance or condominium insurance. It protects you, it protects other people, it protects your personal property. It even covers you if you need another place to live while the apartment is being reworked if it catches on fire, which I'll get into in a few minutes. But the cost of renter's insurance is generally about $10 to $15 a month, and it covers a tremendous amount for a renter. So inside your apartment or whatever you're renting, anything that's movable property. So movable property is furniture, any appliances that you've bought, jewelry, watches, coats, clothes, CDs, records, tapes, gaming systems, anything that's movable property. Renter's insurance covers all that movable property if it's stolen or lost, not just in your apartment or your condo or wherever you're renting, but it also covers you anywhere in the world. Anywhere in the world you take that and it gets lost or stolen, it's covered by Allstate. If your apartment catches on fire and you need another place to live while your apartment is being renovated, Allstate will also cover those additional living expenses. They will also cover food. If you have an expensive piece of jewelry, say like a $15,000 ring, we can cover that specific item on top of everything else for you. If you have a record collection, a baseball card collection, whatever you collect, if you have something that is very valuable to you that has a certain high price tag, we can cover that under what's called scheduled property, which is specifically labeled property within your policy. So we can cover that. If your apartment catches on fire and it damages other units in the building, we cover the renovation costs for those other buildings as well. Typically the landlord would not be responsible to pay those renovations since he's not the one who started the fire. You would be responsible. Also, we cover medical coverage as well. So let's say you have a guy from Verizon that comes out and he's installing Fios in your house, or a Comcast guy or a repairman or somebody that's on your rented property, and they get injured. They slip, they fall, they break their arm, they dislocate their knee, something of that nature. Renter's insurance will cover all those medical expenses, even if the guy or the woman sues you. Now, you would be responsible to pay all those medical treatments and rehabilitation costs and his wages while he's out of work. With renter's insurance, though, you would be covered completely, so you wouldn't have to spend anything out of pocket. Now, I'll remind you, this little secret is only $10 to $15 a month for pretty much any renter's plan that Allstate offers. On top of that, if somebody else gets injured, not just somebody who's working, but a friend or yourself gets injured on your property, we'll cover those medical expenses as well if they sue you, any kind of liability that may arise on your property. So if you don't have renter's insurance today and you're renting a property, you're leaving yourself pretty much hanging out to dry that you don't have the right kind of coverage. Contact me. I'll give you a quote. It'll be somewhere between $10 and $15 a month. And, I know there's tight budgets. I understand, about, living expenses and the cost of living today. But $10 to $15 a month to give you the type of protection against your future earnings, your current assets, and just in general, all the stuff that you have in your apartment is well worth it. contact me at 410-424-0844, and I'll give you a quote for the best kept secret that I've found out so far in the insurance industry. This is Greg. I'm with Allstate, the Good Hands people, and if you're not in good hands, give me a call, 410-424-0844. Have a great day.